This side also is very interesting. Mesh panel. This comes in a box anyway. If you don't like fish tank and you want to put it on front and take air from front as well, then you can open this. We're gonna open these ones as well. Can move this thing. It's on double hinge. You're moving this, you should put screw here, and that's it. Now you have fan on front side. Then you need to put back this fan, and then we're taking this thing same way how you took the glass one. We're putting it back. We have now mesh on front and also fans on front, so it's gonna be this setup.